Welcome back to EsteeLicious Garden. Today, we're transplanting groundnut, Nigerian garden egg, and sugar baby watermelon from smaller containers into bigger grow bags, giving them more space to grow strong and healthy. We'll begin with the groundnut. These seedlings have outgrown their planting trays, and it's time to move them. First, prepare your soil. Remove any debris or substances that could affect root development. And break up any lumps to create a smooth, airy compost. Next, enrich the compost with chicken pellet manure and fish bone meal. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure even nutrient distribution. Now, gently remove the seedlings from the tray. Since the roots are intertwined, take your time to carefully separate each plant without damaging the roots. Transplant into the prepared grow bags, making sure the roots are fully buried in the compost. Water well, just enough to moisten the soil. Avoid overwatering, as this can damage young roots. Let's move on to the Nigerian garden egg. Fill your larger container with compost. Add your fishbone meal and chicken pellet manure again, and mix well to enrich the soil. Transplant your garden egg seedling gently into the center and water lightly to help it settle. Why is transplanting important? As plants grow, their roots need more space and nutrients. Leaving them in cramped containers can stunt their growth. It's best to transplant when seedlings outgrow their starter trays, or when you see roots circling the bottom. Lastly, we're transplanting sugar baby watermelon. The process is the same. Prepare your compost, enrich it with nutrients, and mix thoroughly. Be extra gentle when handling watermelon seedlings. Their roots are delicate. Transplant carefully and water just enough to settle them in. Overwatering at this stage can cause stress to the young plants. With these simple steps, your plants now have the space and nutrients they need to flourish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EsteeLicious for more easy expert gardening tips right from home.